Hello and namaste to all the respected principals and directors, the management of schools and colleges, and all other important people who are watching this video. My name is Mahesh Hemnani and I am the director of the company which is called as SR Group of Companies. We are your communication partners in providing KYC Cloud Communication Program. The KYC Know Your Child Cloud Communication Program is the most important and the most useful tool for every school and college today. We are trying to give you the best cloud communication tool for making your communication easy, for making your office work easy, and also for all kind of communication and office academic related work. This particular KYC 365 Pro is a platform which is specially designed for all kind of communication, all kind of academics, and all kind of office related academic work. We have a platform which is an online cloud communication platform. Through this platform, we give you more than 80 modules of ERP management. We give you a parent app, we give you a teacher app, and we give you a management app. The parent app is specially designed for the parents to get all the information that is related to their child about their classwork, homework, details, gallery, and all the fee related information, academic growth, everything from A to Z related to their child is available in the parent application. The second application that we're giving is a staff application. The staff, your teachers, would like to communicate to the parents, update the parents, everything about their child. So now we give them a power tool with the staff application to communicate everything related to exams, report cards, timetable, all the information related to the child. They can directly communicate to the parents. The third important application is management application. We give you the management application as a director, principal, secretary of the school to directly communicate with your teaching staff, non-teaching staff, with your parents. By a click of a button, you can actually manage your whole school on the go. Adding to this, we give you 80 models of ERP management which your admin staff can manage from their office desk. They can manage the report cards, fees, library, transport management, hostel management, and many other kinds of features which they can manage from their system. And do remember, we are giving you an online platform. That means even your office staff can manage everything from their home if given access to. Now, I take this opportunity to explain you about the management app. What are the features of management app and what as a management you can do with our KYC management app. As a management of your school, the first step that you need to do is to download the KYC management app. For that, if you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Play Store, or if you're using an Apple phone, you can go to the Apple Store and key in the word KYC 365 Pro management app. You will see the icon. This icon will be visible on the App Store and you can click on this and download the app. Once you have downloaded the app would open. So once you log in into the app, the first thing that you need to do as you're the management of the school, the app would ask you your mobile number. Please punch in your mobile number. So the app would show you the school names. If you're a management of 2 to 3 apps, multiple schools, so it would show you multiple schools, or else it will show your school. In the next screen, it will ask you for your password. Actually, the company would send you a password which you can directly enter here and you can access your app. In case if you forgot your password, you can click on forget password. It would ask your mobile number and then it would send you an OTP. A 4-digit OTP would be sent to you through a text message which would come into your inbox. Please see the text message and enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, it would ask for a reset password verification. In this reset password verification, you can enter your desired password and you can click on the OK button. Once you have clicked the OK button, the new password and confirm the password. Reset page opens for you. You can reset the password. Once the password is reset, you're ready to log in. In the next screen, you will see the complete dashboard of your management app. This is the most important thing as a management, to understand the dashboard of your management app. In the dashboard, you have attendance, you have notification, news and events, homework, about the institute, your daily status, admission details, meetings, school info, management speaks, class info, calendar, find student, find parent, communicate, contact, online classes. All the information pertaining to your school is available on this dashboard. In the next screen, I'm going to talk about the 3 icons. At the bottom of the app, you will see 3 icons. At the corner, extreme corner, you see this icon. This is about your school, where if you're in multiple schools, it would show you your school names. In the next screen, you will see the attendance. What is the attendance? Today's attendance of your school. The date can be seen on the top. Then you see the total number of students. You can see the number of boys, the number of girls, the number of boys present, the number of girls present. All information related to the attendance of that particular day is visible here. In the next screen, you will see notifications. What kind of notifications has your office sent, has the teachers sent, and any kind of notification that you have sent to the parents. All these details will be seen in this particular notification icon. So in the next icon, you will see news and events. As a management of the school, you wish to see what are the events and news happening in your school. You can just scroll up and down and you can see the news and events. In the next screen, you will see the homework. Total homework which has been sent by your staff and teachers to the parents, and which has been assigned and which is not assigned. The count is also visible in this particular icon. In the next icon, you will see about your school, the details of your school, when your school was established, what are the details. And in the next icon, you will see the management, about your school management, what are the details of the management. If you're the chairman, the secretary, the principal, you wish to add your details, you can add all the information in this particular screen. This would be visible to you, to your staff, and to the parents. In the next icon, you will see the daily status. In the daily status, what is the attendance, whether the attendance is being used, the classwork homework is being used, whether the notifications in SMS and apps are being used, on what day it is being used, and other activities, what is being used. All the details, you will get the status of everything in this particular icon. In the next icon, you will see the daily status related to the fees. What is the total number of amount of fees is being collected, is yet to be collected, is due as on date. The total fee details can be visible in this icon. In the next details, you will see the admission. Now, total number of seats which are vacant, the total number of seats which are enrolled, application which are sold, application which are received, and application fees. All this information which is done by your staff at the back end can be visible at your palm, at your mobile app itself. In the next icon, you will see the meetings. Now, your school can decide to have parent-teachers meeting. They can decide to have any kind of meetings. But as a principal, as a director, you wish to see what are the upcoming meetings, what are the past meetings which have been completed. All those details are here in this meeting icon. Next, in the next screen, you will see the school info. As you're the management of the school, you wish to see the school info, total number of students, total number of parents, total number of teachers, non-teaching staff, app users, Android app users, iOS app users. All this information is visible in this screen. In the next icon, when you click the management speak icon, you have the complete liberty to write a title, create a post, give awareness to the parents and the staff about anything that you wish to communicate. For an example, you wish to communicate about COVID awareness. You can write a title as COVID awareness, attach an image and write something, and this will go to the parents and the staff members. In the next icon, you will see this particular thing that you have edited right now or you have posted will be visible here in the view mode. So you can see what you have actually posted in the Management Speak app. In the next icon, when you click the class information, a particular class can be selected, a date can be selected, and you can see the class information as number of boys, students present, absent, new admission, all those details. In the next icon, when you click as parents feedback, this is a very important and a critical icon which is called as view feedback. When you click this view feedback, all the parents who have any kind of problems with the school, with the teachers, or they have anything that they wish to say, they can type R there and they can send, and this information is only available for you. This will not go to the teachers or any other staff members or admin desk. This will only come to the principal or the director. You can click and see which parent, what is their problem, and you can also reply back to them. In the next icon, when you click, you have an option to find a student. If a parent has come into your office chamber or they are sitting in front of you and you suddenly want to understand the details of the child, you can directly go and select this option icon, open Find Student, select the class, and you can actually check the child details. In an emergency, if you want to talk to any of the parent, you have a call button. You can click this call button anytime and you can connect with the parent. You don't have to rush to your office, call your secretary or anyone to understand the particular details of the child. You yourself as a management of the school, anytime 24/7 can find a student and give them a call. In the next icon, you can see the student details, the profile of the students complete attendance, students profile, exam, report card, fees, everything as a principal you can check of the student. In the next icon, you can see the student profile, complete details of the student, complete detail of the parent. From the call button, you can directly call the parent also. In the next icon, you will see the student attendance. What is the attendance of the child? How many days the child is present? The percentage of the attendance can be seen here. In the next icon, you will see the student exam info. This particular child, what is the examination info of the child, whether he's attended what kind of exams or he's not attended the exams, all the details are here. In the next screen, you will see the student report card. Now, if a parent is in your class, if the parent is in your office and you want to see the details of the child's examination mark, you can see the details here. You can also download the report card of the child as a management of the school. In the next screen, you will see find staff. Now, in an emergency, you want to talk to one particular staff and you don't have the number of the staff, you don't have the details of the staff, you can just open the KYC management application, press the find staff icon, you can directly find the staff and call the staff and have a talk with the staff. In the next icon, we are going to talk about the school calendar. In this school calendar, as a principal, you can see the dates when you have actually given holidays. You can actually mark a date and declare a holiday. You can actually plan an event and you can input all the things. This calendar is visible for the staff, for the parents, and for the management also. In the next icon, you will see the school gallery. This school gallery is updated by your teachers and by your office staff. So if you wish to access your gallery, you can see all the important things of your gallery in this view. In the next icon, we are going to show you about communicate. This communicate icon is a very important icon for a principal or a director. This gives you a power to communicate with the staff and the parents on the move, round the clock, anytime, anywhere. We give you 5 important options of communication. The first is app to app, second is voice app, the third is attachments, fourth is images, and fifth is circular. You can send app to app notifications, you can send voice notifications, you can send any kind of attachments, images, or circulars can be directly sent to the staff, to the parents, to individual staff, individual child, group of children, group of staff members, everything from your mobile round the clock. So the first important icon is app to app. As a principal, you can write a title, you can write a particular note, and you can select the distribution type as you want to send it to one child, one particular staff, whole school. You can send this particular app to app notification. In the next icon, you will see all the information that has been sent to the parents. Now, the next icon is the voice note. If the principal wants to send any kind of voice messages, you can directly send the voice messages. You just have to record your voice and select the distribution type. You wanted to send it to one particular child, one particular staff, or group of staff members. You can directly send any kind of voice notes, voice greetings. It is multilingual. You can select, you can talk in any language, and you can send the voice notes. In the next icon, you will see attachments. If you want to send any kind of PDF, ebooks, you can send. Select the attachment, write the title, write a title note on it, and you can send this attachment also. The next power tool we give you is image. If you want to send any photos, images in any JPG, PNG formats, you can select the image and you can write a title note on it and you can send it. In the next icon, you have circulars. These circulars can be sent by your office staff, and it can also be sent by the principal or the director. You can attach a file, you can select it, you can write a title note on it, you can give a small description about it, you can select the distribution type. The the circular goes to the teachers, non-teaching staff, students, or the parents directly, you can directly send this circular also. In the next icon, we're going to talk about contact us. This information of contact us is about your school's contact information, your website, your toll-free number, your office number, your mobile number, or it can be your email ID. So this is only for view purpose. If you want to edit, you can inform your office staff and they will edit this information. In the next icon, we have online classes. Which teachers have actually taken up the online classes, whether how many students have participated, all that information pertaining to your online classes will be visible here as a management to watch. In the next icon, you can also see that if you wish to change your profile, if you want to change your password or sign out, you at the extreme right corner of this mobile application, you have a menu button where the profile of yours can be seen, your password can be changed. Also, you can sign out from this screen, from the total app. In the next screen, you will see that change password. How can you change password? Whenever you wish to change the password, you have an option to enter your current password, give your new password, confirm your password, and your password is changed in fraction of seconds. So the last screen is log out. So before you want to log out from the app, our app is going to ask you, are you sure of logging out or not? You can click the log out button and you can log out from the app. The most important part for a management, why management has to use this particular application. Our application gives you a complete control over your school. Your school is in your hands. It is in the mobile app. You can communicate with your office staff. You can manage your admin staff. You can communicate with parents. You have a complete control and the data of your school in your mobile app. The most important thing which you have a doubt in your mind is all this information, how secured is it? Whether my data can get leaked, whether anything can happen. Dear principals and dear management of the schools, your data is completely secured with Amazon web servers. We assure you that your data cannot be leaked or will not have any kind of problem. Our KYC management app or the parent app or the student, the staff app is only being used for communication and administrative purpose. We don't have any ads on our particular application. We don't have any third-party access on our applications. These apps are made only for communication purpose. So please be rest assured, your data and you are completely secured with KYC 365 Pro. The most important thing to conclude my video is, if you don't use this management app, whether all other things would work or not, all other things from your office staff will be working, your staff application will be going on, parent application will be going on. If you download the management app, you have the complete access to control everything from yourself. If you don't wish to download this app, your office staff is already using our KYC ERP on a computer mode, that is on a laptop or a system. They're still using all the modules. But as a principal, you don't have to go to them and ask them for all the details. All the information without asking is in your mobile. So I thank you very much for choosing us as your communication partner and giving us an opportunity to serve your school. We will ensure you that all the latest cloud communication modules are activated for your school and you enjoy the KYC cloud communication facility. Thank you very much.